Hello kids! Welcome to Kids Education with Fun. Today we are drawing letter P and Q. So we are taking a brush and blue color and we draw P. So this is P. And now we will take a drawing pencil and we will draw a parrot. So P for parrot. To draw a parrot you have to draw 9 first. So now outlining the parrot with the black color. I hope you're also drawing. So this is the green parrot. We will also color the parrot and we will also draw letter Q. So this is Q. So this is with brown color. This is watercolor. Don't go anywhere. Watch complete video. You will learn a lot. This is Q. And now we will draw a bird out of this. So extend this side. Now you have to follow all the steps how I am drawing. Now this is the head portion and we will make a very teeny tiny beak, and this is the black color beak. Wow! So this is the quail, Q for quail, and these are the eyes. Now some lines on the body, the bird. Now we have just completed the head portion. This is the tail. Now two tiny legs. Have you seen a quail? It's a brown in color, somehow red color. We will color it and you will notice how we are coloring. We have also drawn some fruits and vegetables and a lot more in the previous videos, so if you want to go there you can also watch. This is orange color and this is a pencil color. So if you have a watercolor pencil or watercolor, so these are watercolor pencils, you can use them, and if you have any other color so you can also use them. So I am dipping it in water every time, so it is just giving a bit darker color. So you have to color this portion by this way in this black color shade. Blue color eyes. So this is also a pencil color. Now we will color it light blue. This is the sky blue color. So you can also do the same. Slowly and gradually you will learn. Color this part also orange. So I'm giving it red color. This is also a watercolor marker. So we are using different type of color pencils, sometimes acrylic color. Now this is red color and this is acrylic color. So you can use any red color, that is watercolor, or even red color pencils, anything that is available. Later on we will just make some black lines over this, showing the feathers. This is red color. Now we will give yellow color to the other part. You can see that one is watercolor. So it's almost done. A yellow color tail. So this is a yellow color tail. Wow, so beautiful quail we have. I hope you will also draw like this. Now these are some white dots on this yellow part. You can cover the whole part with these white color dots. You can use any color here, acrylic or poster, or even white color marker, the one that is available. So this is a quail. Now this is the black marker. You can use any black color marker. You can see we have just, these are the wings. So it is looking so nice. Brown color legs. I'm just outlining it with black color. If you want, you can also do. Birds are sometimes so friendly. Do you have a birds in your home? Now we are coloring the parrot. So this is just a light green color, coloring the whole parrot. Green color parrot. Now coloring the head. So this is also green color, and the beak will be red color. Yes. Now this is red color. P for parrot. So we have learned about drawing parrot and quail, and Q for quail. I hope you have also learned about these two, and hope you will also do the same practice. If you like our videos, subscribe our channel. We are coming with some more good work. Thanks for watching.